5A first part question, they have given you a grammar and they have given you a string. Okay, the question clearly says that you have to obtain an unambiguous grammar. Okay, so for the given question you have to first obtain the unambiguous grammar and then you have to solve and show the given string based on the grammar that you have got. Okay, they are not asking you to prove whether the given grammar is ambiguous or not for this one. Okay, they themselves told you obtain the unambiguous grammar means that the first step you have to do is you have to get the unambiguous grammar for the given question. Okay, now if you see by seeing the grammar only you can understand whether it is ambiguous or unambiguous. Okay, what is ambiguous grammar means that for a string, okay, if there exists a string, for that if there are more than one parser tree or more than one left or right derivation, then those grammar are called ambiguous grammar. Okay, if you see over here we have both the left and right side as same symbol only, right? So even over here and even over here we have the same symbol. Even for your multiplication division also we have the same symbol. If we have like this, then it will end up as ambiguous grammar only. For that you have to find the unambiguous grammar. Okay, now what is the step we have to do? First you have to check the associativity of the given operator. Okay, for example mostly your plus, okay, your plus, minus, star and division, these all will be left associativity. Okay, left associativity. Okay, now your power symbol will be right associativity. Okay, but here in this question you don't have that, you need not want to worry. Okay, suppose in exam if you got that, what you have to do, that's why I have given here. So if you for the given one, if the grammar is ambiguous, okay, now what you have to do means first you have to consider the associativity. Okay, now what you have to do based on the association, whether it is left or right, on the left side, if it is left association, on the left side of uh, the symbol, okay, we will keep this one as it is. In this side we will introduce a new variable. Okay, for minus also this side e will be same, for this side we will introduce a new variable. Okay, for multiplication e will be same, for this side we will introduce a new variable. That is what we will do. But if it is a right associativity, then we will change the left hand side symbol and the right side will remains the same. Okay, so first rule, okay, e derives e plus e or e minus e. Okay, now what we are going to do means we are going to introduce a new variable, okay, called t over here. Okay, new variable t. Instead of this e and this e, what we will do, we will write t. Okay, so now what we are telling, we are telling e derives e plus t. Okay, similarly e minus t. Okay, now is this rule done? No. Okay, because if you see in your grammar, we can use the single variable e and we will be able to get the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all four things are obtained from that. Okay, but now if you are splitting the rule like e plus t and e minus t, okay, so at the starting symbol we will be able to get the addition and subtraction. What about multiplication and division? We have to get them, right? So for that purpose what we will do, we have to write one more derivation, that is e will directly derive or e will directly produce t. Okay, now this one, right, this one we will replace with t. because we have introduced t over here. Each step we will keep on breaking. Okay, so the step number 1, what we are doing, we are removing this one and this one, and we are replacing with t over here. Now we have to reach to the second step. We have to have some associativity, right? Means we have to have some sort of relation between the rule number 1 and rule number 2. That's why we are having a t over here. Now the t will derive e star e. Okay, now instead of writing e star e, we already have replaced this e with t over here. So this e will become t, right? The star will be star only. Okay, now we are removing this also because this also has ambiguity, right? Now what we will do, we have to replace this with again a new variable. So we will introduce a new variable called f. For what? For your multiplication and division. T we have introduced for addition and subtraction. So what we will write, we will write t, one second, star f. Similarly we will write t divides f. Okay, now we have to reach to the next line, right? So this line we have to reach. For that what we have to do, we will introduce t derives f. Okay, now this will become f. Okay, this will become f. Here the braces or terminals only, we need not want to change them, so that will remains same only. And your I is a different variable, so you need not want to worry about ambiguity over there. That also remains the same. I derives a b c, all are terminals only, so they all remains the same. So how we are splitting, if we have, they have given e derives e plus e or e minus e. Okay, we are changing that to e derives. Okay, the new grammar will be e derives e plus t bar e minus t or t. Now this t will derive t star f or t divides f. Okay, or f only. See over here, because of the left associativity with the symbol only, we are having to the left of the symbol as e. Okay, and to the right of the symbol as t. Suppose tomorrow if you are getting something like this, e derives e caps e. Okay, now if we want to change this one, then how we will change means e derives. Okay, the new symbol that you are going to introduce will be in the left hand side. Okay, because it is right associativity, you have to change like this. It is t caps e, not like this e plus t. Okay, because this is right associativity and this is left associativity, so remember that one. Now f derives e bar I derives a or b or c. Okay, done. Now what they have told, they have given you a string, right? A plus b star a minus b. So the string is a plus b star a minus b. Am I right? Yeah. So for that what we will do, we will derive a parse tree. Now e will derive t. Okay, now t will derive t star f. Okay, now t can derive f, which can have open braces e closed braces. Okay, now e can derive e plus t, e derives t, t derives f. Okay, f derives I. Now I can have a. Similarly here t will derive f, f derives I derives b. Okay, over this part f can derive open brace e closed brace. Okay, e can derive e minus t, t derives, sorry, e derives t, t derives f, f derives I derives A. Okay, T derives F derives I derives B. So we got A, that is open braces, A plus B closed braces star, again open braces, A minus B closed braces. That is, we have derived the given string by converting the given grammar to unambiguous grammar. See, the first episode they have told you derive the unambiguous grammar. They are not asking you to check for the given string whether the grammar is ambiguous or not. Okay, the instruction is clear. So first you have to convert the given grammar to unambiguous grammar. That is this part. This is your unambiguous grammar. Okay. For this, you have to derive and show whether the given string can be derived or not. Okay, that also we have done. Thank you.